So, ready po kayo magtumalon? Okay po. Luwa kayo na lang pinagawa sa atin.
Wait lang, wala pa kayo. May tissue si Isabel sa ano niya.
Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog!
Kaya po iiyak ka.
Go! Dapat sa kanila. Iiyakan ko sila. Purple na, purple.
Bawal umiyak. Oh my God! Wait lang, magtumulo.
Sa parents ako, parents.
Grabe.
Napuwing silang lahat. Napuwing.
Ay, ang galing ng girls. May tissue agad. Tapos yung tissue ko, pero may tissue na sila. Ready?
Siyempre ready na yan.
Oo, expect
Guys,
nila.
closer tayo guys, closer.
Everyone closer.
Okay, face. Okay guys, oh. Okay. Guys, tingnan.
Madaling araw pa. Nakadami na ba?
Oo, pati yung hair.
Ladies, let's go! Join po kayo kay Bride.
Takbo daw.
Takbo daw. Mga nakataon na eh, no?
Yes, smile. Smile. Guys, okay, face.
Sana bayan lupa. Dito na naman. Dito na pala.
Una ko ng letter. Ano dito? Yan, sa camera. Oh, guys, close din guys, close.
Gusto. Ay, kaya. Test ko ba? Or iharap?
Taas mo ba ng konti? Smile.
Cross ko na po.
Yan, may letter.
Hi my love, sana magustuhan mo ang aking munting regalo sa'yo. Can't wait to hold you later and remind you kung gaano kita kamahal. See you later my love, I love you. May tawag ka naman pala. Bigla naging my love. Sulat niya naman. Baka sweet naman yan.
Ano masasabi mo dyan?
Matagal ko na itong gusto. Thank you so much. My love. My love. Thank you so much my love.
Alam ko Paul lang tawag mo.
Oo nga eh. Siya kasi may love eh. Hi my love eh. May tawagan na.
May tawagan na.
May tawagan na kami ngayon lang.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Ito nga pala kami. Dito sa wedding. Yung may-ari po ng phone na yun, nakaupo.
Kasi may umbrella.
May ano na eh. Kabilang side ma'am. Mega. Okay lang.
Mega mag.
Yung walang hawak na.
Yung dalawa na sa baba, yung train na lang. Nagtago doon sa train ka. Okay na ba yung mga targets na lang? Mami, sabi mo baka may wala mo. Bawal lang ang content. Bye guys.
Normal pa din siya, umuulan na. Okay, kaya mo yan girl. Go! Go bakla!
No whites to white line. Bottom right.
Umiyak ka? Ha? Umiyak ka? Hi guys.
Tapos na! Kainan na! Yan na?
Diet kami, diet.
Sige po ma'am, enjoy the cocktail and...
Ilalagay.
Good! Look at the coffee. So the coffee is coffee. Where's my baby? Where's my baby? Sabi mo sa pika ni Wei. Ah, may pa-croissant siya. Look at that. Sarap. Para kang bata. Alam ko ni Bernie, tapos iniwan ko siya dun. Sarap. Ang kabogabol.
Ito kayo bilang... Saan yung inabang yung ano din doon? Karton? Saan yung lagay ng karton? Sino tao doon?
Ay, papaone. Congrats.
Hi,
May anak ka na na lalaki. Congrats.
Matagtagan.
Dalawa ka ng anak.
Meron ang tagapagtanggol.
Say hi!
Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Welcome to the reception program of Paul and Janelle. So all our guests, our official QR code where it is... Thank you so much because of that.
Parang ano lang, benta lang ba? Hindi naman talaga, hindi naman siya nag...
Good afternoon, and ito po yung magiging nila, alright? So, we do have a dance challenge for the season dance, okay? Yes, don't worry with your season. Ano na, one, you look forward. Okay, so you're wearing our lovely dance. You just need to use your hands if you're very familiar with the song Papaya Dance. Yun lang po ang inyong festival. Let's go, ladies. I believe you've prepared some to say your first district is husband. Hola Janela, we're gonna have Iti Perean. And of course, we are assisted by... Okay, receive all the love, it's up to you. Go ahead, receive all the love coming from your wife and your husband. Pala natin si Paul. Thank you so much. Actually, advance si Paul, ready na siya. Gusto niyang sumabay. Go ahead, Paul. Feed your wife. Receive all the love. Pala din naman po natin. Sige na, guys. May vaccine yung Lola. Pwede ba? It's a good cake. Pala naman po natin. Thank you so much.
This time. Okay, everyone ready? 1, 2, 3, and walking tayo, guys. Okay, wait sa video.
Kain na.
Are you the one right? Church lang talaga yung batikot eh.
Doon sa work.
Maxi lang yan. May pasabog ang newlywed. Ama ka na bakla. Ama ka na. Meet my husband, oh. Bernie.
Everybody, let's do the countdown. 10,
7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Chismis ka pa.
Ito naman yun. Propose mo yan?
Oo, diba? Okay. Back to dinner.
Hindi ba ka-picture ba?
Picture. Okay, everybody say cheese. Camera 360. Picture daw, picture.
as our girlfriend, as I call her. So, nagkakilala po kami. 2009, we were classmates and boardmates way back then. And if you know her, she's very sweet, kalog, no dull moments po talaga pag kasama mo siya. And may pagka-off-off, medyo may pagka-strict ng konti. Kaya din siguro NDSB siya, but not until Paul came. So I believe na it was, and to you, Paul, hindi lahat ng pagkakataon masaya kayo, but please be patient with me. Please be patient with me. Understand her more. Respect her purpose.
Next down, my sister mentioned, we really do appreciate you guys coming here. It's a 2-hour drive, 2-3-hour drive from Manila, pero nakapunta pa rin kayo in quiz. Especially also to those who filed their leave. So, thank you for all. Yeah. So, thank you for all the help sa akin, sa family. And, thank you. Commercial break. So, yun. Thank you sa lahat ng help mo sa akin, sa family, sa pag-aaral ko when I was in college. And also thank you for giving me another ate in form of Ate Janela. So, bawas-bawasan na ang pagiging mainit din ng ulo. And also to Ate Janela, welcome to the family. So, wala pang 24 hours. Pwede pa mag-back out. Wala na, nakapirma na ba? May correction din. Pero, yeah, welcome to the family and thank you for loving my brother unconditionally and thank you for tolerating all his topacs and all his mainitin na ulo. At higit sa lahat, huwag mawawala lang ang allowance sa aming bahay. Kuya, please, wag. So, yan. Thank you, and everyone, may we request everyone to please stand up and raise your glass for the newlyweds.